Hi guys, this is Sulabh from Gadget Bridge, and today I'm going to talk to you about two things. First, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button followed by the bell icon. Number two, we are giving away a Google Home speaker on our Instagram page. Go check that out as well. Today I'm going to talk about this smartphone. It's called the Samsung M20. I played around with it for a little while, and this is my review of the nifty little device. It's been a while since we have seen budget smartphones from Samsung, which are aggressive in all aspects. Probably why their position was disturbed in the Indian market. However, 2019 is telling a different story for them. And in the very first month, the Korean major has gone ahead and launched two new smartphones, which cater to the younger generation, called the Samsung Galaxy M10 and the Samsung Galaxy M20. These smartphones are built by the company in India for India to regain lost ground. They are not only priced aggressively, but they also bring with them a set of good to great specifications. Over that, you do get Samsung's branding that says a lot. We played around with the Samsung Galaxy M20 for a little while to understand if this smartphone will strike the right chords with the millennials in India. Let us first take you through the design of this smartphone. As soon as you take the smartphone out of the box, it screams, "Look at my beautiful 6.3-inch display." Samsung has some of the best displays in the business, and they have incorporated another great one in this mobile device. But first, let's talk about its build quality. The quality is very Samsung. Dressed in blue, this smartphone comes with a water drop notch design, the first to be seen on any Samsung smartphone. Samsung Galaxy M20 is an India first innovation, like we just said. So things have been designed on this smartphone keeping the youth of India in mind. The screen is almost edge to edge with minimal chin area. The display is a bit raised and comes out of its shell, which is a given as it has a super large 5000 mAh battery inside. All this is packed in a decent looking plastic shell, which has the volume rocker keys and the power button on the right side. The dual SIM tray is placed on the left, which can also accommodate a micro SD card with 2 nano SIMs at the same time. The bottom part of the Samsung Galaxy M20 has the speaker grill, USB Type-C charging ports, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The top head of the device has the second pinhole microphone. At the rear, Samsung has placed a large fingerprint reader, vertically stacked dual cameras with flash, and one can also see the Samsung branding. Yes, the rear does attract its fair bit of smudges, but most in the category do that. Also, if you look closely at the bottom part of the rear panel, you will get to see the Made in India branding there. Moving over to the display of the Samsung Galaxy M20, we must say it left us awestruck. It is a great display to own in this price bracket. We loved every bit of it. The 6.3-inch FHD Plus Infinity V display not only looks good, but has the best moving imagery to show. YouTube videos and downloaded movies look exceptional on it. The games look vibrant and there is minimal ghosting. Sunlight legibility is also nice and one can easily read text and WhatsApp messages. In a nutshell, the Samsung Galaxy M20 does perfect justice to all facets one wants from a display in a smartphone. Now let's talk about its under the hood performance. The Samsung Galaxy M20 comes with an Exynos 7904 chipset, which has 1.8 GHz dual core plus 1.6 GHz hexa-core CPUs. These are Cortex A73 plus A63, if you want to be exact. This is partnered with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. This is the one we are testing, but there is another one out there which has 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. This smartphone comes with a huge 5000 mAh battery, which on our test kept it alive for 2 days. The Samsung Galaxy M20 kept doing what it is built for, performing. We threw everything at it, including the kitchen sink, and it came out with flying colors. It can handle games pretty well too. We played PUBG as well as Asphalt 9 on it, and the gaming performance was top notch. Yes, it does get slightly warm at times, but the temperature comes down very quickly as soon as you shut off that game. Talking about the Android Oreo experience, it's a treat to work with. Yes, we did miss a couple of Android 9 features in it, but what the heck, it is gonna come to this smartphone sooner or later. This smartphone responds well to every tap and swipe. Samsung has given a separate app drawer in the system, which is a good thing. The fingerprint scanner at the back works really well, and the screen opens up before you can say Galaxy. Over that, the smartphone has face unlock features as well. Sound of the device we felt was slightly underpowered. However, we were mostly on our trusted headphones, so it did not matter much to us. But to some, it might be a little tricky. Dolby Atmos is available on the smartphone, however, it only works with headphones. Skipping over to the cameras, the Samsung Galaxy M20 sports a dual rear camera setup comprising of a 13 megapixel primary sensor with an aperture size of 1.9 and a secondary ultra-wide sensor of 5 megapixels. They are quite a duo. We were able to squeeze out some exceptional shots during the daytime and also in low light. At night, we used the flash and it brought back good details to the images. One thing we missed on the cameras was 4K video recording. Right now, these cameras only support full HD video recording. So what's our verdict? At a price of just Rs 12,990 for the 4GB version, Samsung has outdone themselves. We have said this before and we will say it again. This is the comeback smartphone for them. We have seen competition jittering already and scrambling for cover, as this is the smartphone that will bring Samsung back into the game. If you want a smartphone with great performance, a good display, has exceptional battery life and superb rear cameras, go for the Samsung Galaxy M20 in a blink of an eye. We give it 4 out of 5 stars. Alright guys, I hope you loved the video. If you did like this video, do hit that subscribe button followed by the bell icon. I'll bring you more such videos in the future very soon. My name is Sulabh and I'll see you next time.